Welcome to Homebuyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
So before we begin, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips on home buying, click the subscribe button below, hit the little bell so you don't miss anything.
Hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of Homebuyer School. Today I'm joined by Eddie D'Ambrosio, a real estate agent with RE/MAX Elite. And today the question we're going to answer is, how much does it cost to own and maintain a home? So Eddie, let's say I just purchased a home, whether new or resale. What are some of the things I need to know in terms of maintaining that home?
Yeah, so home maintenance is definitely important to consider.
Mm-hmm.
I think the obvious is, when you're considering the cost of ownership of a home, is the mortgage. I think that's the big one that comes up. And then, you also want to remember things like property taxes are going to play into your overall cost of ownership there. And then with regards to monthly maintenance, of course, you have to add in your utilities, like heat and power, water. Home insurance is another cost that gets added into home ownership.
Okay.
And then just maintaining the home. So keeping in mind a small budget to put away for maybe saving for future repairs, like maybe replacing roofing or renovations to the property. If you're purchasing a condo style property, then you may want to consider the condo fee that's going in.
What are some of your suggestions in terms of things that we would need to upgrade or renovate, from the time of purchase of home? Like, are we talking about decks? Are we talking about landscaping around it? What are some key things that, for either future resale or just good home maintenance upkeep, what are some things you would consider renovating or upgrading?
Yeah, so, if you're purchasing a new property, I guess we'll go with that one first. If you're purchasing a new property, then it's really important to know from the beginning if that property comes with things like landscaping, a deck, does it come with appliances? Because some builders will include those items and some builders don't. So they may be needed sooner rather than later. If you're buying a property that's, let's say it's listed on the market, a used home, well, these homes sometimes usually have all of those things. And then the big question that comes up is really just condition. What sort of condition are those items in? And so, it's always great to keep up with things like refinishing a deck surface and maintaining the landscaping of your home. Two of the biggest renovation projects I think everyone's aware of is always the kitchen and the bathroom. And this just comes up all the time. People are wanting to improve those two things in their home as well. So.
And obviously kitchen and bathrooms significantly improve the resale value of homes?
Yeah, absolutely. I think we just see that time and time again with buyer clients that are going through properties, is that there's such a focus on those two areas of the home because maybe there's a little bit more time spent there and they really do impact the overall look and feel of a property in the biggest way.
So it's mostly just time, so people spend time in the bathrooms, people spend time in their kitchen, so obviously that's kind of why you want to upgrade. Any other reasons to really upgrade or maintain those things? Or is it just because they're spending time there, they're being used a lot?
Yeah, because they're being used a lot, it's where you spend your time, and it's just such a point of pride. It's such a focal point of your home. So, putting your best foot forward in terms of whether you're getting ready to sell or if it's just, for you to enjoy the home and enjoy living there. I think those two points, just those two rooms become, such an important feature.
So do you have any other advice in terms of cost to own and maintain a home?
Yeah, so I guess here's some good advice that would be, keep up with the maintenance of your property. If you own a home and you take really good care of that property, you change filters and keep it clean and replace things just before they break, what happens is your maintenance costs go down substantially, and then what you also do is you improve your property value over the years that you own at home as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Eddie. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Homebuyer School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.